Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a teal half cut crease, and I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, so keep on watching. Okay guys, so first I'm going to be spraying my face with this Pearl Essence cucumber water, and it's just to hydrate your face. Okay, then I'm going to use this L'Oreal Active Daily Moisturizer. And then after that, I'm going to prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Okay, next I'm going to do my eyebrows. First I'm going to use this e.l.f. little like duo kit thing, and the dark side is like wax kind of, I think, I don't know, and the other side is a powder. So I'm just gonna start off with using the dark side. Get my brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish my brows off camera, so because it's gonna take a long time. So basically what I do is I just continue filling in the rest of it with the wax stuff, and then I use the light powder side to fill in like the first half of my brow, and then for the other half I use this dark powder in the Ardell brow kit. So then you kind of have like a fade going on. And then I carve out my brows, but I think I'll show you guys when I do that. Okay, so my brows are looking pretty dark right now. So what I like to do is first kind of just brush through them a little bit and soften them a little. And then I like to take some hairspray and spray this slowly. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I have the shade Light, and I'm going to carve out my brows. I'll just show you how I do the bottom of this one. Okay, so I just prime my eyelids with Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm not gonna set them because the colors come out a lot more pigmented if you don't set your eyelids after concealer. So first I'm gonna be taking Silk Cream from the Jaclyn Hill palette, so this one right here. And I'm gonna be like stamping it in there and not swirling it around yet, because you need to like get that first like base of the powder down first before you can start blending it. Okay, so now I'm going to take the color Butter. So it's that color right there. Now I'm going to take this fluffier blending brush and just blend it all out. Now I'm going to add a little bit of creamsicle, like over all of it. So that one's creamsicle. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Hunts right here and use this like flat kind of a shader brush and just put that like right on my crease. And then I'm going to blend out using a smaller blending brush so it doesn't get up too high. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Mocha, which is right here, and I'm just going to place that just right on the outside, like not really into the crease. We're going to kind of blend it into the crease, but I'm just going to place it right there first. I'm going to just keep building up that color now. Okay, so next I'm going to do the half cut crease, and I already did it on this side. This side is not done, by the way. We're going to add some more darkness over here, but I'm going to show you guys how to do the half cut crease on the side now. To set this on the outer half of that, I'm gonna use Jada, and then on the inner half I'm gonna use Pool Party. So Jada is the matte one, and Pool Party is the shimmer one. 1 second, Isaac. So I guess I wasn't recording when I just did this, but all I did was put the matte shade out here, and I put the shimmer shade right here. Now to make this side pop like how this side is, what I do is I get some of the color on my brush, and then I take a little spray bottle and I spray it a few times. Okay, now I'm gonna take the color Soda Pop right here, and I'm gonna use this like flat shader brush again and just place it right here, and then keep like blending it to make the two colors kind of blend together there, so there's no harsh lines. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna film myself doing most of my face. I might do my base and then show you guys the rest. I think I'm gonna do that just because I don't want this video to be too long, because it probably already is. But this is pretty much the eye look. I gotta add eyeliner and mascara and everything so you can see the full effect. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, I think. Okay, so I'm currently baking. For my foundation, I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I used Tarte Shape Tape for concealer, and then I used the Airspun loose powder to bake. What I like to do is while I'm baking, I kind of start bronzing a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the butter bronzer and just start placing it on the contours of my face. Okay, now this has been sitting for a while. I use this Real Techniques expert face brush and just blend this all in together. Now I'm going to go in with my Hoola Bronzer by Benefit, and I'm going in with this big fluffy Morphe brush. It doesn't have a name because I got it in a set. Okay, now I'm going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. And what I do is I take this contour brush, it's from Earth Therapeutics, and I pretty much just place it down in my contours, and then I use my fluffy brush and I blend it out. Now to contour my nose, I use the same Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer, and I use this bigger brush, and I just contour my nose. Now something that I really have been liking to do is take this Kat Von D Lock-It powder foundation, and I have the shade Light 45. So it's pretty light, and I like to put it like on my highlighted areas. And this really like brings out the contours of my face too. So this is something that I've really been liking to do lately. Next, I'm going to be using my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. This is my favorite blush ever. Okay, now I'm going to be highlighting my face with the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I got the sugar one. And I'm going to be using the Marshmallow shade, so it's that one. And it looks like really white, but like when you put it on, it's like reflective of gold, and you can't even tell that it's like white. Okay, now I'm gonna spray my face with the cucumber water spray. I don't really use setting spray because I don't have issues with my makeup ever coming off or anything, and doing this kind of sets it in place, and it makes sure like my face doesn't look dry. Okay, now all I'm gonna do is finish up my eyes. I'm just gonna probably put on some more mascara and then pop on some lashes. And I'm probably going to put a little bit of shadow under my eye. And then I'll show you what I'm going to use for my lips. Okay, well I'm waiting for my lashes to dry. For my lips I'm going to use the Candy K from Cali Cosmetics lip liner. And the MAC Honey Love lipstick. And just put that in the center of my lips. I think I'm actually going to go in with the NYX lip liner in the color Beyond Nude. You just go around the edges to just darken this up a little bit. I'm done with my makeup. I'm going to put on some other clothes and fix my hair a little. Not much because I don't really ever do my hair. But I really freaking like this, and I know that I've done this before. I was recreating it to show you guys how I did it, and this is like my favorite look ever, so I did not mind doing it again, and I'll probably do it multiple times again because it is just so cute. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really hope that you like it. I really love doing this look. It is so pretty. I love the blue in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I've used it so many times, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and comment if you have any video suggestions. I did a poll on Twitter for this one to see what you guys wanted to see, so follow me on Twitter. I'll have it in the description below so you can vote on what kind of videos you want to see next. Thanks guys, bye.